In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Superagent in Base44. We'll walk through the process together from the moment you open Base44, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. Even though the steps are simple, I'll take a moment to explain what's happening at each stage so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a navigation menu with several options. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Superagent. It's usually listed alongside the other main features of the platform. When you click on Superagent, you'll be taken to the Superagent overview page. This is like your home base for anything related to Superagent. Here, you'll see a button or link that says Create your Superagent. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point for setting up a new Superagent inside Base44. As soon as you click Create your Superagent, the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to help you configure your Superagent step by step, so it's important to read each one carefully before you move on. Typically, these prompts will ask you for things like a name for your Superagent and possibly some basic configuration details, depending on how your workspace is set up. Take a moment to choose a clear and descriptive name, especially if you plan to create more than one Superagent later. A good name will make it easier to identify and manage it in the future. Each time you complete a field or make a selection, look for a button like Next, Continue, or Save at the bottom of the screen and click it to move forward. If you see any optional fields, decide whether they're relevant to you right now. You can often come back and adjust settings later, so don't feel pressured to perfect everything on the first try. Continue following the on-screen prompts until you reach the final confirmation screen. Once you finish the last step, Base44 will create your Superagent based on the information you provided. At this point, you've successfully created a Superagent in Base44. From here, you can start exploring its capabilities, adjust settings if needed, and integrate it into your existing workflows inside the platform.